Good day, everyone. Today we are going to read a comprehension passage, and this is already lesson 8. Once again, this is teacher Yumi. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So let us start.
For the peddler. Mama was feeling sick. Leia, I cannot make you a snack, she said. Can you watch out for the peddler while I rest? Yes, Mama, Leia answered. Soon a man shouted, Taho, Taho. Leia ran. 2 cups, please, she said. Leia paid the man. She got 1 cup of taho and gave the other to Mama. Thank you, Leia. I feel much better now, said Mama. You're welcome, Mama.
And now let us answer some comprehension questions. So are you ready? Let us start.
What is it that Mama could not do? A. She could not go out. B. She could not make Leah a snack. C. She could not wait for the peddler.
What's the answer?
She could not make Leah a snack.
Very good. Next, number 2.
Which of the following did not happen in the story? A. Leah went out to buy taho. B. Leah waited for the peddler. C. Leah made a snack for Mama.
What's your answer?
Leah made a snack for Mama.
Very good.
Which of the following words best describes Leah? A. Obedient. Obedient. B. Resourceful. C. Hardworking.
What's your answer?
A.
Obedient. Okay, very good. Number 4.
Which statement tells us what the peddler can do? A. A peddler sells snacks. B. A peddler visits the sick. C. A peddler brings medicine.
So what's your answer?
A.
A peddler sells snacks.
When we watch out for something or someone, B. Blank. Look at something. B. Wait for something. C. Go away from something.
Okay, what's the answer?
Wait for something.
Number 6.
Which statement best fits the story? It is good to visit the sick. B. It is best to buy from a peddler. C. Choose those who helps us sometimes need help too.
Those who help us sometimes need help too. So what's your answer?
C.
Letter C. Those who help us sometimes need help too. Okay, thank you, and I hope that you learned from today's reading lesson. Once again, this is teacher Yumi and Divine saying thank you and God bless.